From Nation Crew to go!
Instead of slaughter when I build a back up with the wisdom of Solomon, I'm polishing my knowledge of wreck and destroy. That's the void, the strong striking realm of cord. One rapper see my style of hugged it, but this ain't luck, Virginia, let me know. That's why I'm moving in to try to touch this, burn down the ash in the pile of dust.